Hi, I'm Emily Lowell. Um, I graduated from Bowdoin College in 2015 with a bachelor's in biology, and for the last 4 years, I've been working at the Jackson Laboratory in Bar Harbor, Maine, doing genetics research with mice. Our group mostly does preclinical drug testing with different mouse models of disease. I'm taking medical terminology because I'm hoping to go to veterinary school, and also because I think that learning additional medical terminology would be helpful while I'm working at the lab and studying different diseases. So the word that I picked to look at the history of is pericardiocentesis. I made a little flowchart. It's probably kind of hard to read, but it's more for my benefit and just knowing how everything's laid out. The prefix is peri, meaning around, about, enclosing, or surrounding. The origin is Greek. The word is also peri, meaning around, about, or beyond. And it's also, interestingly, cognate with the Sanskrit word. Peri, it sounds the same, but is spelled P-A-R-I, meaning around, about, and through. Cardio is a combining form of the root word cardi, which means pertaining to the heart. The origin is a Latinized form of the Greek word cardia, meaning heart. And the suffix synthesis means surgical puncture, the act of puncturing a body cavity or organ surgically with a hollow needle to draw out fluid. The origin is ancient Greek. The word kentesis, the act of pricking, or kentio, which means I prick. So put those all together. Pericardiocentesis is a procedure that's done to remove fluid that has built up in the pericardium, which is a membranous sac enclosing the heart. A needle is used to remove/drain fluid, excess fluid from the pericardium.